Hi, I'm Haja. I'm from DBT 3B. So today I want to do the virtual bacterial identification. So the objective of the lab virtual is to determine what kind of patient sample are used for the purpose of identifying possible pathogens. Number two, to determine what does PCR do, how does it work, and why is it useful. Number three, to determine how to separate the decided DNA from all another. Number four, to determine how does an automatic DNA sequencer work. And the last objective is to determine why it is possible to use a DNA sequencing to identify bacteria. So let's do the lab virtual. So the first we need to take the glove in the glove box. Now we'll obtain a sample from the culture dish. Click the loop to continue. Click one of the bacterial colonies to in the dish. Click the microcentrifuge to transfer the bacterial colony from the loop into the microcentrifuge tube. Placing bacterial colony into the microcentrifuge tube. Now we'll add digestive enzymes to the sample. Click on the yellow micropipette to continue. Editing the interview buffer to the microcentrifuge tube. Extending the tube. The microcentrifuge tube must sit for several hours. Click the microcentrifuge tube to continue. After several hours of enzymatic digestion, the sample is ready. Click the microcentrifuge tube to heat inactivate the digestive enzymes. The digestive enzymes are now denatured and inactivated. Click the microcentrifuge tube to continue. Loading the microcentrifuge tube to the centrifuge. Adding the balance. Now we'll say we spin down cellular debris for removal from the sample. Click the centrifuge to lead to continue. Retribution is complete. Unweighted debris have now been put down. DNA we want is in the supplement. Click the microcentrifuge to tube to continue. Transferring the supplemented to the PCR tube. The sample preparation is complete. Click the orange tray to continue to part 2, PCR amplification. We'll now add the PCR master mix solution to all the tube. Click the red capped master mix button to continue. Editing the master mix solution to the PCR tubes. Now, need to set up the positive control reagent. Click the green captured positive control DNA button to continue. For the negative control reagent, we'll add the water. Click the blue the ionized water button to continue. Adding water to the negative control PCR reagent tube. Click the PCR machine to open the loading compartment and load the PCR tube. Loading the PCR tube. The PCR tube have successfully been loaded into the PCR machine. Click the PCR machine to continue. Running PCR amplification. Click above the pause or replay the animation. Click done when you finish. The PCR amplification is complete. Click the orange tray to continue to the PCR product purification to process. First, we will set up the microconcentrator column. Click the yellow captured buffer button to continue. Editing buffer solution to the column. Standing the tip. Click the orange tray to continue. Editing PCR product to the column. Standing the tip. The tube containing the PCR sample, positive control and negative control will be put on ice. Click the orange tray to continue. Click the orange tray to load the column into the centrifuge. Loading the column into the centrifuge. Click the centrifuge to continue. Unloading the centrifuge. DNA is now trapped in the column. Now we need to loosen into a new tube. Click the orange tray to continue. Inverting the column. Click the inverted column to continue. Editing buffer solution into the inverted column. Extending tip. The first collision tube is no longer needed. Click the orange tray to discard it. Discarding the first solution tube. Now we centrifuge the assemblage to collect the DNA into the selection tube. Click on the orange tray to continue. Loading two columns into the centrifuge. Editing. Click the centrifuge to continue. Unloading the centrifuge. DNA has now been collected into the collision tube. The column is no longer needed and will be discarded. Click the orange tree. Scanning the column. The PCR product has been purified. Click the orange tree to continue to part 4, DNA sequencing. First, we diluted the PCR product to increase the volume. Click the blue painted distilled water bottle to continue. Adding distilled water to the purified PCR product. Discarding the green and blue strip tube already contain PCR reagent mixture in them. Click the strip tube to continue. Editing purified PCR product to the strip tubes. The strip tubes are ready for PCR amplification. Click the PCR machine to continue. Loading the strip tube. The strip tube have been loaded. Click the PCR machine to continue. Running PCR amplification. Click above the pause or replay the animation. Click done when finished. The sequencing preparation is complete. Click the orange tray to continue to part 5, DNA sequencing. Now we load the automatic sequencer. Click the orange tray to continue. Click the DNA sequencing machine to open the doors and load the tray. Click the orange tray to load it into the DNA sequencing machine. Loading tray. Click the inner gray door above the orange tray to view the DNA sequencing animation. Now sequencing. Click above to pause or replay the animation. Click done when finished. Now have completed the daily sequencing section. Click the orange tray to continue to part sequencing analysis. Follow the instruction in the notebook window. Click the computer screen when are ready to identify the bacteria. Identify the bacteria by making a selection above. So then the virtual lab. Thank you.